today we'll be working on this bike, and I'll be installing some turn signals on it. So let's get started. So I got these turn signals on eBay. I think they were like 12 bucks. Because I couldn't find the original ones for the bike, and I found that somebody had one, and it was in worse condition than the ones that I already had. So what I'm going to end up doing is I need to find a way to mount these on the light bar on the bike. The problem is the original lights were mounted under here like this. If I do this, I'll have wires coming out through here, and they're just gonna look like it's gonna look ugly. So I need to cut up the old ones, modify, and make it work with this one here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I went ahead and cut up the old ones. What I'm gonna use is gonna use this mounting piece, because this mounts under the bike, and then you have a chrome screw that holds it, so it looks clean. I'm going to use this mounting bracket, pull the wires through here, and what I'm going to do is, because this has a threaded end right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this in with epoxy completely and stick this in here and let it cure, and that should be enough to hold this in there. And then this will mount to under the bar, and you won't even be able to see this part. So wires come out like this so they don't get pinched, and we plug these in. But let's go ahead and fill it up with epoxy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use saran wrap, and what I need to do is I need to saran wrap it with the wires like this all around here, so that the epoxy doesn't come through this hole more than I need it to come through. So once I get it filled up all the way, I'm gonna put this in here, pull the wires through carefully, and let it sit like that until it cures. Okay, so I prepped them. Let's go ahead and mix the epoxy. So on the second one, I think I'll just leave it like this, and then just pour the epoxy in there. So let's go ahead and mix some. This one was just enough. It's just perfect. Get these wires in nice and tight. Set this straight. And they're already setting. This one's already set to where, like, it's pretty tight in there already. Ooh, you can feel it's warm. The whole thing is warm. It's doing its thing. All right, guys. So we're about an hour later, and it seems like it's pretty much cured. It's still a little bit soft, like a little rubbery, but it's really hard. Like it ain't coming out. I think it's good enough for me to install them. I'm just gonna install them and they'll finish curing on the bike. So this is how it looks now. With them installed. Not too bad. They look pretty good. I might need to adjust the one on the right a little bit. Might need to turn it right a little bit. But other than that, they look pretty good. Let's go ahead and wire them up. Alright guys, I just finished up soldering all the wires, talking everything away, making sure it looks clean, no wires are hanging out or anything. So let's go ahead and I'll give you a quick look at it. This is what it looks like. Can't really see any cables or wires sticking out. What I did was, I don't know if you can see, but I tucked them in here. Zip tied them up there behind the headlight. So when you're looking at it, you can't even see it. But it's kind of hard to hide the wires completely on this bike. Simply because there's a lot of open spaces here and there's just wires everywhere. But it's functional, and this is my main goal, is to make it functional. So thanks everybody for watching. Today's video was pretty short. I haven't posted in a while, so I decided to post the video today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.